The world of finance is alluring. Fortunes are made and lost every day. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum promise quick riches, while the stock market beckons with the potential for long-term growth. Yet, for many beginners, the journey into trading can be daunting. The fear of losing money, coupled with the complexities of market analysis, often holds aspiring traders back. The sheer volume of data, the constant fluctuations, and the unpredictable nature of the markets can feel overwhelming. How can a novice investor possibly keep up with it all? Is there a way to make sense of the chaos and unlock the potential for consistent profits? The answer lies in harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we trade, offering tools and insights that were once only accessible to Wall Street giants. With AI, anyone can learn to navigate the markets with confidence and make informed investment decisions. Artificial intelligence, or AI, might sound complicated, but it's simpler than you think. At its core, AI is about teaching computers to learn from data and make decisions like humans do, but much faster and often more accurately. In the context of trading, AI can analyze massive amounts of market data, identify patterns, and predict future price movements with remarkable accuracy. Imagine having a tireless assistant who can process information in the blink of an eye, spotting opportunities that you might miss. That's exactly what AI offers traders. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by data and algorithms. AI doesn't replace your judgment or intuition as a trader, it enhances it. By providing you with data-driven insights, AI empowers you to make smarter, more informed decisions. It's like having a seasoned mentor guiding you through the complexities of the market. So, how does AI actually work in trading? One of the key ways AI helps is by analyzing market trends. It can sift through mountains of historical data to identify patterns and predict future price movements. This is called predictive analytics, and it's like having a glimpse into the future of the market. But AI goes beyond just predicting trends. It can also automate your trades. This means setting up rules for buying and selling assets based on certain conditions. For example, you could instruct your AI-powered trading platform to buy a certain cryptocurrency when its price drops below a certain threshold, or sell a stock when it reaches a predetermined profit target. This automation takes the emotion out of trading. It prevents you from making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. By following a predefined strategy, you can stick to your plan and avoid costly mistakes. Now that you understand the power of AI, let's explore some of the tools available to you. In 2025, the market is flooded with AI-powered platforms designed to make trading easier and more profitable. Here are a few examples. Robo-advisors. These automated platforms create and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Think of them as your personal AI financial advisors. Sentiment analysis tools. These tools analyze news articles, social media posts, and other online content to gauge public sentiment towards a particular asset. This helps you understand the overall market mood and make informed decisions. Predictive analytics platforms. These sophisticated platforms use machine learning algorithms to forecast future price movements based on historical data and other factors. These are just a few examples of the many AI tools available to traders. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative tools to emerge, further leveling the playing field for beginners. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. And in the world of AI trading, the pudding is very sweet indeed. There are countless examples of traders, both novice and experienced, who have used AI to achieve remarkable results. Take, for instance, the story of Sarah, a single mom who turned a small investment into a significant nest egg using an AI-powered trading platform. Sarah had no prior experience in trading, but was eager to learn and grow her savings. Using a robo-advisor, she was able to build a diversified portfolio and watch her money grow steadily over time. Or consider the case of John, a seasoned investor who used AI to navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market. By leveraging sentiment analysis tools, John was able to identify emerging trends and capitalize on market opportunities. These stories are not isolated incidents. They are a testament to the transformative power of AI in the world of trading. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can achieve their financial goals. Embracing the future. The advantages of AI-powered trading. The benefits of using AI in trading are numerous and undeniable. Here are just a few of the key advantages. Increased accuracy. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data with incredible speed and precision, identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss. This leads to more accurate predictions and better trading decisions. Reduced risk. AI can help you manage risk by setting stop-loss orders and automating your trades based on predefined rules. This prevents emotional decision-making and minimizes potential losses. 24/7. Availability. AI never sleeps. It can monitor the markets around the clock, identifying opportunities and executing trades even while you're asleep. Accessibility. AI-powered trading platforms are no longer the exclusive domain of Wall Street. Today, anyone with an internet connection can access these powerful tools and level the playing field. By embracing AI, you're not just adopting a new technology, you're embracing a smarter, more efficient way to trade. Navigating the risks. Proceed with caution in the world of AI trading. While the potential rewards of AI trading are undeniable, it's crucial to approach this new frontier with a healthy dose of caution. Like any investment strategy, AI trading is not without its risks. One of the primary risks is over-reliance on technology. It's easy to fall into the trap of blindly trusting AI without understanding the underlying logic or potential pitfalls. Remember, AI is a tool, not a magic bullet. It's essential to use it wisely and in conjunction with your own knowledge and judgment. Another risk is the potential for bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is flawed or biased, the AI's decisions will be flawed as well. It's crucial to be aware of these limitations and to use AI in conjunction with other forms of analysis. Finally, it's essential to remember that no trading strategy, AI-powered or otherwise, can guarantee profits. The markets are inherently unpredictable and losses are a part of the game. Knowledge is power. Mastering the art of AI-driven investments. The key to success in AI trading, as with any form of trading, lies in education and due diligence. Before you dive headfirst into the world of AI-powered platforms, it's crucial to invest time in learning the fundamentals of trading, understanding the different AI tools available, and developing a sound trading strategy. There are numerous resources available to help you get started. Online courses, educational videos, and reputable trading communities can provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to navigate this exciting new frontier. It's also essential to choose your AI trading tools wisely. Do your research, read reviews, and compare different platforms before making a decision. Look for platforms that are transparent, user-friendly, and offer robust security features. Remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset in the world of trading. By investing in your education and approaching AI trading with a cautious yet optimistic mindset, you can position yourself for success. The future is bright, seizing opportunities in the age of AI. The world of finance is undergoing a revolution, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. What was once the exclusive domain of Wall Street is now accessible to anyone with an internet connection. AI is democratizing trading, empowering individuals like you and me to take control of our financial futures. The opportunities are limitless. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to gain an edge or a complete novice eager to dip your toes into the world of trading, AI offers a path to success. By embracing this transformative technology and approaching it with a blend of caution, curiosity, and a commitment to continuous learning, you can unlock a world of possibilities and achieve your financial dreams. The future of trading is here, and it's intelligent, accessible, and full of potential. The only question is, are you ready to seize the opportunity?